Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on a layout, and I'm going to use one of those kits that were sitting on the tray because I ran out of bags. And so I have like 8 to 10 kits sitting on that, and I'm like, you know what? Those have to be done first. So I went through those and I found this sheet here, and this is from Verdell and Me Inc. I don't think they're in business anymore, but this was 2001. We'll throw that out now. I just kept it so I could show you. So in there was this, there was this. It was a sheet and I just cut it up. There was this and those 4 boots. Now I have a sticker sheet from our collection. It looks different than that now because I've actually, this is just for me. I just printed a whole bunch. But now it literally has like a color and our company on it, which I want to bring up because Canada Post is no longer on strike. They went back to work, I think it was Tuesday. And they were kind of, they didn't go willingly. Let me put it that way. So we're still going to wait till after Christmas because it's so close to Christmas right now. I'm filming this on December 19th and it's so close to Christmas, and I'm just like, you know what? We'll just wait, and then after Christmas we'll make like a shop launch. I'm working on some, Christmas files to print them as stickers and die cuts and all that stuff. So we will just wait at this point. Let's go 4.5 by 6.5. This is some Bow Bunny paper. Now there's this side that's kind of leaves, or that side that's kind of like tracks and hiking. So I think I'm going to do this side here. And then I'll take this and do a 4 by 6 with this. So this, my photo, then that means my photo is going to have to be like 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. And I'll tell you a little secret. It doesn't matter because where I get my pictures printed, every time I'm like, this is not a true 4 by 6. So it all is going to work at the end. And I'm wondering if I should put this guy over here and the journaling block here, and then that up here. I mean, it doesn't matter. I wish this was a little smaller, I'm not gonna lie. But it is what it is. I might put a little boot here, and then I might put like a boot with this. I might make a cluster with this title because it's title block. It's just so big, right? I thought of maybe cutting this out and then using this as a picture frame, but I think I'm just going to use it this way. I think I'm going to put the photo that it sticks right to the edge like that. Maybe not the inside part, but the outside part. Okay, let's start gluing everything down. I think this is going to be a page that is going to come together super fast. And I picked it because of that, because it is now 12:11 and I go live at 1. And I'd like to have time to go make a coffee and then come back upstairs and then go live. I actually considered not going live today because Lexi's going through a rough spot again. And her parents were lacking in sleep. So I had her all day yesterday, and then she slept over last night. And she was pretty good. She was pretty good, but I was worried about her. And, I watched her sleep for a while. She woke up at 11:45. She fell asleep at 8:30. Unfortunately, I couldn't sleep. I tried and I couldn't sleep. She woke up at 11:45, and then I kind of got her back to sleep. It was like 12:20. But then I never went to sleep till 2. That's not her fault. That's my fault. I was just watching her sleep, and I was reading a bit, and I watched some YouTube videos and, all that stuff. And then she woke up at 4 again, not fully awake like at 11:45 or whatever, but just whimpering enough that I woke up, you know, fully woke up. And then she did go back to sleep though, so pretty quick. And so it was probably like 4:30 when I went to sleep. And then she woke up at 8. So I woke up at 8. And I tried to go have a nap before the live, and there was just, I just couldn't. So I think I'm going to do the live, and then we have hockey tonight. So I'm like, okay, well, maybe I can do the live for an hour and a half, you know, better than nothing, right? And then go to sleep because we got to leave at 5:30. So I have to make sure that I'm not totally exhausted. It just is what it is, you know. Here it is, like 5 days before Christmas. Forget not having our Christmas wrapped. They're not even bought. So I'm like, oh my goodness. Like I'm freaking out a little bit. And everyone's coming here. So that means I have a lot of cooking to do and a lot of baking and stuff. Oh, I started this week, like while Lexi was sleeping, like her naps and stuff. I think I did. Well, the wax was due, so I ended up getting those orders all ready to go. So that took one of the naps. And the other two, what did I do? I did do, I think, 3 different desserts. So those are done. I just got to cut them up and freeze them. And then I'll just keep plugging away a little bit at a time. Sunday, Saturday he has a game, and we're expecting a big storm, but they don't cancel the games. So that means that the day is just going to be even longer because it's going to take a long time to get there, a long time to get home. And then Sunday, it's a practice, and I don't think I'm going to go. Originally, I thought maybe I was going to go, but I think I want to stay home and not wrap gifts because that is not my vibe. I do not like wrapping gifts. That's Dave's thing. So I wonder if I should put both boots or just one. I think I'll just put one. Yeah, that's Dave's vibe. So he'll have to do that one night. I don't know when. I don't know when. I don't know how. But I think the 22nd is the last day that there's something. But I mean, that's basically at Christmas, right? So I think he does have tomorrow off. So I have a live that I have to do. So I think I'm going to get him to go. I'll make a list and get him to grab a little bit of Christmas gifts. Oh. And at least there'll be that. We're not going all out this year. There's just too much in, like, of all the, you know, the chaos that we've had in the last 4 years. I find that this year is the one that has me the most anxious, I guess. So, we're not, you know, we're not going above and beyond. I'll do lots of cooking and all that stuff. And I might make them like stuff like that, like meals and stuff to put in their freezers. I don't know when. I might have to stay up. And I thought my daughter had next week, like Monday, like the week of Christmas off, and she doesn't. She has the week after Christmas. So I'm still going to have Lexi. So I don't know. I don't know when things are going to get done. But I'll get done what I get done, and that's all there is to it, you know. And I mean, even Christmas Eve, I'm going to have her till about 1. And then what? People are going to start showing up at 6? You know what I mean? Like, oh. Like, a little stressed. I'm just going to say that. A little stressed. But you know what? We can only do what we can do. And then the rest, we just have to say, it'll still happen, right? It'll still happen. So, so Mason and Lexi are done. The ones that I find the hardest is like, I don't know, my nephews up north. I don't know what to get them. Like, I really don't. So it might be just gift cards this year, like, and then just, you know, go get what you want. Like, what's the point of me getting something that they don't want? And it goes in the, you know, giveaway pot. Like, what a waste of money. You know what I mean? So at least with a gift card, they can go get what they want. So I'm thinking that is what we're going to do. Let me see here. I want a brown pen to do the flight of the butterflies. I have to dig here. It's nice though. I have a drawer now that's just pens. So it's not like I'm going, oh, like, you know, where are they? It's like, no, they're all in that drawer and it's awesome. So we'll do the flight of the bee, oh my gosh. You can tell I am exhausted. I can't even think of what that is. Dragonfly. There we go. Whew. I'm glad I thought of it before the video was over. It's like, what is that thing? You can tell the brain is exhausted. Ooh, you know what I want to try? I got the new spritz, and I definitely want to try that. So I'm going to go get that. And I like to circle the 1 dot. So there's one here, and maybe we'll make one right here. There. We have a 3, and we have a 2 here. Where could I do a 2? Maybe right there. Okay, I'm going to go get the spritz. So if you saw my haul, I just want to show you, I did put them all in the case. Well, 4 of them don't fit, and that's okay. And remember I said, I don't know if there's a ball. There is a ball. And I must not have shook it hard enough because I didn't want to be like on the video. But there is a ball. And I don't think I'm going to spritz it today. I don't know. I'm just not in the spritzing mood. I'm just going to do something like this. Oh, right on my bee. That's okay. That is okay. Okay, so that's it. That is going to complete this layout. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.